Welcome! Today we will be learning how to create a case. Next, we will look at adding case details. These details include clinical information, hospitalization, labs, providers, attachments, additional information. Accurate data entry is essential to ensure proper case tracking and public health response. Let's take a look at these categories. First, let's take a look at the clinical information. Here you will see onset date and diagnosis date. Both must be filled out to submit the case. You will also see age at event. That field should automatically be calculated based on the given birth date and onset date. Now let's look at hospitalization. This field only needs to be filled out if the reason for their visit and stay are related to the morbidity selected. Selecting yes if they were hospitalized requires you to enter additional information. Information like which hospital, admit date, and discharge date are important to know for the case, so do your best to have it all. Moving on to labs, it is important to note that this information is required to submit the case. To expand, select Add Lab, and you will be able to see all the fields required for the case. The only required field is the type of test performed on the person. Once entered, there will be additional required details. Although the only required field to enter, the more data you have, the better the results of the program will be. Please do your best to have all the information entered. Lastly, do not forget to click Add to ensure all the information you entered about labs is captured and collected in the case. Next will be providers. If you have any provider information to enter, click here to add it. When clicking into providers, you are required to input a facility. Once complete, do not forget to click Add to continue. Moving forward to attachments. For any additional files or information you need to upload to the case, click Add Attachment, and the tab will expand. From there, you will select the document you wish to add. Describe the document type by selecting from the drop-down, and add any additional notes you have. Once all of that is filled out, click Add to attach it to the case. Lastly is the Additional Information field. This is reserved for any additional comments or notes you may have that do not fit into the document. Please use this as a space to input details you feel are important for the investigation. Once complete, select Report to Public Health.